The craft of Excel feels like it dates back to the dawn of computing, but there's still plenty of things you may not know how to do with it. Hi, this is Phil from Make Tech Easier, and in this video we'll show you how to merge cells, rows and columns in Excel with some methods showing you how to do it without losing the original data. Depending on how you want to format a body of text in Microsoft Excel, you'll sometimes have to merge cells. Whatever your reason is, there are a few different techniques you can use. These can help you to achieve the merging of cells, rows and columns. Some methods will get rid of some of the data in the cells, so you'll have to decide how you want the final result to look beforehand. Merging cells. You'll find the built-in merge options under the Home tab of Microsoft Excel. The merge options available are Merge and Center. This option merges cells into one and centers the text. However, only the text from the leftmost cell is kept. Merge Across. This option merges cells across from one another into one. All of the rows in a selection chosen to be merged are separated. However, only the text in the leftmost cell of each row is kept. Merge Cells. This merges all of the cells in a selection into one. The text is not centered and only the text from the leftmost cell is kept. And Unmerge, which obviously undoes whatever you just did. Consider a case where you made a selection that made up to 6 rows and 2 columns. If you choose Merge and Center, the result will be centered in the area you selected. On the other hand, if you choose Merge Across, the text in the left cells of the rows that were selected will be kept. With Merge Cells option, the text in the leftmost cell of the selection is kept and the cells are all fused. This text is not centered in this case. Merging Rows. If you want to merge rows, then the concatenate function is your best friend. If you want to merge a series of rows together into one row where the text is separated by commas, you can use the following formula in a blank cell. The extra commas and quotation marks are included, so there is a space after the comma that comes after each word in the list. Just a little bit of formatting. Merge Columns. The concatenate function is your friend again when it comes to merging columns. In order to merge a group of columns together, you have to pick out the relevant cells in the columns you want to fuse and include them in your concatenate formula. For example, if you had column A and B with few items in each column, following formula could be used to merge the items together. If you want to have your merged content without spaces, then use the concatenate function like this, which is actually how it's meant to be used. On the other hand, if you want to have your merged content with spaces, you can use the concatenate function like this. This applies to the merging of both rows and columns. So, depending on what you're doing, you'll need to format your data differently. This makes merging cells, rows and columns an invaluable tool. We have covered different techniques here, but feel free to get creative about how you use it. We've covered the basics here, but you can do all kinds of different things to change up the spacing of your merged content to your own personal preference. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. That's all for now. See you next time.